Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import BullX Private Key to your Phantom wallet. Now, in order to do it, you first need to come to bullx.io. You can even use the link that is given down in the description in order to save 10% on your trading fees on this platform. Now, once you are over here, you just have to simply connect your Phantom wallet with it. Now, once you create a new fresh account on BullX, you just have to simply hover over to the left hand section and you need to click on the wallet manager. Now here in the wallet manager you will be able to see this section where you will be able to see your private key, which you need to download within 2 days of the creation of your BullX account. Now if you don't download that private key from BullX account, it will be deleted automatically and you won't be able to get that ever again. So you need to make sure whenever you create your BullX account newly, the first thing that you need to do is to simply download your private key from here. Now once you have downloaded it successfully, you just have to simply click on the extension of your Phantom wallet, and here you need to just click on your profile icon in the top. Afterwards you need to click on this plus icon and here select the option of import private keys. Over here you need to give your private key a name, so you can give it a name as BullX, and here you need to paste the private key that you have just downloaded from your BullX account. Afterwards you need to click on the import option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily import your BullX private key to the Phantom wallet. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comments and I'm here to help you out with that. Thank you so much for watching.